Alright, what's up world? Well, we're back here in Ralph's garage working on the 1933 Dodge, which is underneath all of this. It's covered. There's a 33 Dodge under there though. So, if you go check out my other videos, you get to see it. But I don't need to do all that right now because that's not what we're working on. What we're working on right now is getting the steering wheel and all the parts together so you can get them in the steering shaft down the manual steering box and get the wire ran through so your horns will work when you hit the button. Beep, beep. So you gotta know how to put all this stuff together. So what I'd like to do is set this down to where everything's like right there in front of you. Sorry about that, world. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just do this. So shit. There you go. Yeah, no. Alright, so. Sorry. Your steering wheel. Steering wheel's got to go on, but before the steering wheel goes on, there is, in the 1933 Dodge, this little tiny moon. This thing. Let's see if I could show it to you through the light. No. See how it's kind of like a little half moon? Yeah. So this thing goes in your steering shaft, moon side into the shaft, and then it's long, and then it cocks into your steering wheel, which is right here. You got this little line, and in this line, if you can see it, you probably can't see it, but it's over here. That's where the steering wheel slides on. From that point on, you got to put on all these other little pieces. The horn, I'm gonna polish this up, and a little fly round covers, the metal piece that actually is copper, which grounds it, the spring which kicks it up, and the bolt that holds it on. Anyways, moving on. So, god dang it. I actually had a screw sticking in my there's no head nail sticking out into my slippers. I'm out here in my slippers because it's late and that's how I roll, homie. So, first thing we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this cover off. Do as much as I can without having to go to part 2 where I put you on hold and then I make another video on YouTube because I'm too lazy to go and do the editing and add it together the easy way. If this cover will work with me here. Alright, well, it's not working with me. Okay, so we're going to open this door. You're now going to see the steering shaft. Let's get this video. Steering shaft and little area. Let's see if I can show you that. This little slot, that's where that half moon goes. So we're going to put that together right now. Hang this up right here. Grab your half moon slot. Put it in the slot.